Today we're opening up the Widebody kit for the V10 RX7. Let's do it. It's that wide, maybe wider. Okay, we have our Spec GT Widebody kit here from Shine Auto. We got this a few months ago and it's just been sitting here all wrapped up, and I've been dying to actually see the pieces in person and get to look at that carbon fiber and all the body panels. So I'm just so excited to get all this stuff unpacked. I love these vents.
Yeah.
It's like the curve of this. Oh.
Yeah, they're so sharp. I'm hoping that we can use that vent there as like a little cold air intake.
Some ram air.
Yeah.
Oh, also I got the carbon fiber canards for this bumper, and then I think I actually ordered the carbon fiber bumper guards as well.
Nice.
So once we get those pulled out, we can slap them on and see how they look. Ah, check out these fenders. These are like noticeably wider than factory.
Yeah, you can see that bulge to them.
Damn, these are thick.
Yeah, and then that vent down on the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, typically there's the hoop-de-doop, and now it's a shroop-de-doop, so that's handy.
Yeah, that's a
And then also on these bad boys, there's a carbon fiber in all the weak spots to reinforce it, that's just a good move.
It's a good thing to do, makes it nice and strong.
Good thing to do, especially just because it's fiberglass, and on all the tabs and stuff, it's all carbon fiber as well, because there's nothing worse than having those breaks. So yeah, let's grab another piece.
All right, we've got the rear over fenders. They be looking real fine.
They be looking real fine, and they've got that same swoop-de-doop as the front fenders.
Yep, the technical term.
Ready to see the coolest thing about these though?
Yes.
Bam! I thought there was just gonna be like a couple little pieces. The entire thing is carbon on the back.
Nice.
Which is just free carbon that I wasn't expecting to get.
Free? Okay, back on the other side, there's the little holes.
Yeah.
So do you use bolts to hold it on, or do you glue it and fill it, or?
No, you like drill a hole and then you put JB weld in it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, I have no clue yet.
Okay.
I mean, I guess just however you want.
Okay, like have you seen this kit filled before?
It looks weird. Yeah, I've seen it like blended into the body and it looks weird.
Okay.
So no, I'll leave like a distinction line.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you use that black gasket too?
What do you think?
I don't know.
We'll see. We'll try both. We'll see what looks good. See, the front fenders don't have the like an aggressive distinction line of where it's wide body.
Yeah.
So I think it looks a little weird when it's just on the back. So
true.
I think we'll probably go without it and just have it really clean.
Yeah, gotcha.
But yeah, no, this thing is chunking, man.
Sweet. Let's grab another piece.
Okay. Okay, so this is the carbon fiber diffuser, and this is the biggest piece of carbon fiber I have ever bought in my life. So I am like super duper duper excited to open this up and see it.
What was the runner-up to this piece besides what you got in this kit?
You got me a keychain once though. That's about it.
You're making big moves. Now that is a beautiful piece.
Yeah, this is definitely a one-up from my keychain. So this is their twill weave version. You can get like the plain weave or the twill weave. And one is twill and one is plain. And this is twill.
So how much is actually visible when it's...
Oh, like none of it. Like you see that.
It's just that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, there's the center vortex generator.
Yeah.
Or whatever it's called, some Rick and Morty name.
Yeah.
And that's still packed up in there, so we'll get on that next. I needed to start with the big bad, you know?
Let's say it at the exact same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And
Okay,
now it's time
there's
we're
a
going to
bunch of
have an
stuff
unpacking
left,
party.
So we're just going to unpack it all. Okay, so quickly to run through these, we have our centerpiece for our rear diffuser, and then we've got our carbon fiber side skirts, we have our canards for the front bumper, we have our front bumper lower protectors just so we don't wreck the bumper, and then we have our vortex generators. And those are all the other little pieces. Super cool.
They're all the nice glossy carbon fiber, so they're all the pretty bits, obviously.
Yeah, so we'll just paint them.
Yeah, I'd say that's the humble approach.
That was just so much fun. It really felt like a Car Guys Christmas here today. We have a mountain of bubble wrap over there, and I mean, we've got a mountain of carbon fiber here. Now, before we can start putting all of these pieces onto the RX-7, first things first, we need to get this Viper V10 fit inside the car. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see the next video as soon as it's out of when we get the V10 into the car. And then after that, we can start putting all this stuff on. So subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, share the videos, tell your friends, pet your dog. I don't know, you guys know what you're supposed to do. See you in the next video.